So our topic is Osgood-Schramm model. So let's talk about the story of author in Osgood-Schramm communication model. So this is the author. Charles E. Osgood was an American psychologist who developed the technique of measuring the connotative meaning of the concept, known as a semantic differential. Osgood was born in Somerville, Massachusetts, and did his PhD from Yale University. Wilbur Schramm was a scholar and also known as the authoritarian math. Communication. He was a great influencer of math communication and was the one who established the Department of Mass Communication Studies across the universities of the United States. He was the first person who called himself a communication scholar. Schramm did a pilot project called Mass Communication Program from his PhD in Iowa University. Schramm was born in Germany. In 1935, he founded a literary magazine called American Prestige, a journal of creative and imaginary writing. Schramm was especially influential for his 1964 book, Mass Media and National Development, which was published in conjunction with UNESCO, which effectively began research into the link between the spread of communication technology and social economic development. So in Mass Media and National Development, 1964, Schramm said that mass media in developing countries need to play three roles: those of watchdog, policymaker, and teacher for change and modernization. So let's talk about what's my topic in here. When and where it began, what is the story behind the Osgood-Schramm communication model? So, the origin of Schramm model can be tracked back to 1964, when Charles E. Osgood explained that for communication to be effective, it has to occur in a circular manner. Osgood was an American-born psychologist. Schramm model of communication was published by Wilbur Schramm in 1964. It is one of the earliest interaction models of communication. It was conceived as a response to and improvement over earliest attempts in form of linear transmission models, like the Shannon-Weaver and Laswell's model. Models of communication are simplified presentation of the process of communication and try to explain it by discussing its main components and their relations. The Osgood-Schramm model is built on the theory that communication is a two-way street, with a sender and a receiver. Charles Egerton Osgood popularized the notion that communication was circular rather than linear, meaning that it required two participants taking turns sending and receiving a message. The theories of psychologists. Charles Osgood wears a significant influence and inspired Schramm to formulate his model. According to Osgood, meaning is located not just in message, but also in social context. His psycholinguistic approach focuses on how external stimuli elicit internal responses in a form of interpretation. This response mediates between the stimulus and its meaning. Most theories identify Schramm model with his 1964 book. It was the process and effect of mass communication and present with a reaction to earlier model, developed in the late 1940s. However, marketing scholar Jim Bright argues that Schramm model is of earlier origin and was already present in Schramm 1949 book Mass Communication.